What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we have a huge Adidas haul. Adidas Canada sent over a ton of sneakers. Some of this is heat, some of this is GR stuff, so I want to show you guys everything they sent over, and I actually bought a pair of shoes myself, which I'll show you guys in this video. If you haven't yet followed me on Twitch, it's twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA. Got my little dog tag right here. I stream on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern, and we're actually giving away sneakers every single stream this month for the month of September. So come hang out, get some free shoes, get some advice, or just hang out and chill while you do your homework, while you study, or while you're just doing stuff on your computer. Let's get into the Adidas haul, and all these sneakers I'll be showing you guys today, I'll leave them linked in the description down below with some affiliate links. So if you end up clicking any of the links and you might end up buying something, it does help out the channel. So with that said, let's get into the Adidas sneakers. So the very first shoe I want to show you guys, I think I've shown you guys in the past, but I'm not 100% sure, but I ended up with a second pair because I was actually part of an Adidas ad campaign. Yeah, these photos on screen right now, Adidas had me be a part of their Addy color campaign, and I actually got to keep all of the clothing and the shoes from the shoot. So I got a nice little wardrobe refresh along with a solid pair of shoes. So these right here are the Adidas Super Court, and this is a great all-around white leather shoe. The look is just very classic, timeless. It's gonna go with all of your outfits. The downside is these are not the most comfortable sneaker in the world, but when it comes to this kind of shoe, you can sort of expect it. It's like a similar comfort level of a Stan Smith. But with that said, if you are looking for a clean white pair of leather sneakers, the Adidas Super Court are definitely a sneaker I think you guys should check out. Now let's get through the other shoes. These right here are the Adidas Super Court's big brother, you could call them. These are the Super Court RX. If you're looking for that kind of dad shoe with more of a luxurious kind of vibe, these right here I think you might want to look into. Now these are very reminiscent of these Gucci sneakers on screen right now. I posted an outfit photo of these over on my Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. Follow your boy. These do have this sort of creamy upper. It's not a pure white leather sneaker, it's like a creamy beige leather upper. I do think this shoe is harder to wear compared to the Super Court regular. The Super Court regular is just more of a timeless shoe, while the RX definitely has sort of like these designer kind of vibes, and not everyone can pull these off, but they're still a really good shoe if you can. The tongue gives me these like soccer kind of vibes the way it is. You guys know if you play soccer, that's the kind of tongue that's on a lot of shoes. Next blue box, we have the Adidas Young 96 Chasm, or Chasm. Not too sure how to pronounce it, but these right here are perfect for summer, and Adidas actually sent me these over the summer. Some of these I'm just getting to so late, but these right here are definitely a bold shoe. So if you're in a summery kind of climate where it's hot all year round, this is a shoe that will pop, that will break necks. It sort of gives me these popsicle kind of vibes, which makes sense because they also sent me like a popsicle Adidas t-shirt around the same time they sent these. This sort of color really reminds me of like that orange sherbet. It really reminds me of like that orange sherbet, I think, ice cream or popsicle. And I really like the hits of this like aqua teal on the side of the shoe. Nice contrast, it really pops. I think this would be a harder shoe to match. I don't think too many people will be wearing like this kind of yellow very often in their outfit. But if you wanted a fun sort of loud shoe to wear, this is definitely a sneaker you might want to look into. Now they also have the Adidas Young 96 and Young 1. Two other great dad shoes. The insole on these Young 96 Chasms are pretty cool. Let me try and rip it out for you guys. Bam! So this is the insole for the Adidas Young 96 Chasm. Adidas Originals really looks like a sort of a popsicle kind of branding. Three stripes life. I mess with it. I'm part of the Adidas family. I love my Adidas Canada team, and yeah, these are gonna be a fun shoe to wear. Next up are a pair of sneakers I've been wearing quite a bit since I actually got them from Adidas. These are the Adidas Ozweego. Not to be confused with the Oswego 2, I think the collab they did with Raf Simons, but the original here, Adidas Original. The Adidas Originals Oswego is definitely a shoe I think you guys need to add to your collection. They're releasing a ton of really dope colorways for these, and this is probably one of my favorite colorways they've done. The white with the hits of neon green and blue, and it's just a really easy to wear shoe. I slip my foot into these, and it really does go with my streetwear kind of style. There's so many colors out there that there's probably something that will match your wardrobe, and they're actually really comfortable. They don't have boost, but you don't need boost on a shoe for it to be comfortable. These have adiprene tech in it, and the midsole right here. The midsole is sort of a creamy beige, I want to say, compared to the white mesh on the upper, and definitely has those dad shoe kind of Adidas Yeezy Wave Runner vibes. I really like these, and I really like the straw too. I like this like plasticky kind of straw, and I like the detail on the back here with the small little text as well. You guys will definitely catch me wearing these and other colorways on my Instagram at SneakerTalk.ca, and of course on the channel. But with that said, these are the Adidas Ozweego. Links in the description down below. Let's get to the next shoe. So you guys saw that like sort of plasticky straw material on the Oswego. Well, this next shoe right here, the Adidas LX Con, actually has the same sort of like, not tech, but aesthetic to it. You guys will see in just a moment right here. But these are the Adidas LX Con, and honestly, thank you Adidas Canada for sending over all these pairs. These are all shoes I know my audience would love to see reviews for and check out. And these are pairs I would definitely buy to review and actually wear. Like the Ozweegos, I love the Ozweegos. I plan to buy a couple colorways of those. But these shoes right here, I definitely want to show you guys right now. These are the Adidas LX Con in the triple black colorway, and it has that straw right there I mentioned that goes through the shoe. This is a very, very clean colorway, all black, ninja stealth kind of vibes. We have a some text going down the middle right here, so that's like the only pop, I want to say, pop of white. And then here's the side, here's the back. I mess with these. These are clean. They've made some really loud colorways of the LX Con in the past. I think they've done like a green one that sort of looks like Shenron from Dragon Ball or Dragon Ball Z. If you got that all black shoe dress code for school, this might be a shoe you want to check out. And you know, it's gonna be such an easy to wear shoe. This goes without saying, any all black sneaker you can wear every single day. That's honestly the beauty of an all black shoe. You just throw it on, you don't have to worry about them all day long. Get sturdy, get stepped on, it don't matter. So that is the triple black Adidas LX Con. And with that said, I want to get to the comment question of the day. What are your go-to all black sneakers? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely be giving a bunch of you guys shout outs in the future video that we have coming up. Now these shoes right here scream retro vibes. This is like a 90s shoe, and me being born in 95, being a Gen Zer, I'm not even a millennial. I don't know why people keep thinking I'm a millennial because I'm a YouTuber, but I know that's another tangent. I'm a Gen Z. I'm like the very back end of Gen Z. Why am I talking about this? Anyways, Adidas Originals FYS 97. What does that exactly mean? I'm not too sure, but let me open up this really beat up box right here, and here we go. These are the FYS 97s, that's the right name, and this white, purple, orange sort of melon kind of colorway. I don't think many people will be able to pull these off. This is like a real dad shoe. Like I know the marketplace is really saturated with like a lot of dad shoes and dad shoe aesthetic kind of vibes, but this right here is a dad shoe in its purest form. Like this is a shoe I think my dad would have worn in the 90s when he was like pushing my stroller around or something, you know? So yeah, if you really want those throwback real dad shoe vibes, the FYS 97 I feel like is a sneaker you might want to check out. But these ones sort of give me Laker vibes, although it's not like yellow or golden purple, but this sort of like sunburst orange, I want to say, really reminds me of like this Lakers kind of vibe right here. Oh, there's also like a weird face. Like let me show you guys that up close and personal real quick. There's like a weird face on the midsole. Next up, let's get to the pair I bought that I want to show you guys, the Yeezy. We got him. Yes, we got him. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 700s. These right here are a brand new drop that just came out, I think, a couple of days ago or a week ago. I bought these online and they actually came to my door pretty quickly compared to other sneaker releases. So these right here are the Yeezy Boost 700 V2. Oh, these are nice, and that slide is always very satisfying for the Yeezys. So I forget the exact name. I think it's Inertia. Inerti? I don't know, but inner tie. I'll have the actual text on screen for the name. But here we have it. These are the inner tee or inner tie Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2. And I really like this colorway. It's like these 3 to 4 different shades of like gray with almost like a blue tint. We have a hit of orange on the side with the midsole. And I just really like these Yeezys. These are definitely one of my favorite 700 models. It's a nice change compared to all of those earth tone Yeezys we've been seeing time and time again. And yeah, I really like the materials they use on this. Like the leather is pretty solid on the back, and I really like that. I really like the shoe. As you guys can tell, I really like the shoe. But I like that there's like mixtures of this blue tint, like this Yeezy blue tint kind of vibe in between the gray hits. So it's like very subtle. From far away, it would definitely look like an all gray kind of shoe, but when you get up close to it, you can really appreciate the small details in it. It's no gum bottoms on these. It almost has like a gum bottom. It's like a creamy-ish kind of outsole. You guys can see the exposed boost on the outsole right there. And yeah, this is the new Yeezys that just came out. Looking forward to wearing these. Adidas did not send these over, but Adidas did send over a couple of pair of Yeezys. So leave those videos linked down below. They sent over like the triple blacks, the green glows, even the all black 700s and the Tepra V2. So thank you Adidas Canada for sending over all the love. I really appreciate it. Definitely really helps with the channel considering how expensive sneakers get, and it can get you guys the content on this channel and my second channel. So yeah, lots of Adidas reviews coming soon. So if you love Adidas, please do yourself a favor, subscribe to this channel for some in-depth sneaker reviews. Again, if you guys want to come hang out with me and my girlfriend every single Monday, Wednesday, or Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, we'll be over on Twitch. And yeah, looking forward to wearing these and seeing how these will come together with different kinds of outfits. If you guys like this video, please do me a huge favor and subscribe, hit that like button down below. And also for the comment question of the day, let me know what are your go-to all black sneakers that you have in your collection, if you have a pair of all black sneakers. If you honestly don't have an all black pair of shoes in your collection, then let me know what all black shoe you would like to add to your collection, or your honest opinion on these Yeezys. Just let me know. I'll chat it up with you guys in the comment section. And yeah, if you guys want to binge watch my Japan vlogs, Philippine vlogs, please do so, or come hang out with me on Twitch. Catch you guys later. Peace out.